So the rear bumper is now installed, and this is the next day. That was a heck of a project, guys. It shouldn't have taken as long as it did. The only reason it did take so long is because of one little tiny bolt on the passenger side bumper bracket. Absolutely a pain, just hideous. I've got so many gashes and cuts on my legs and arms from fighting with this bumper to get it off. It wasn't really the bumper itself, it was the bracket. And not so much over here, but that side. Totally killer. It was just awful. But you can see the new bumper looks amazing, and really happy with the outcome of it. It's not ideally what I had hoped for, in the sense that it kind of looks a little work truckish on the sides here. But overall, Westin FEY, happy with this bumper. I'm going to throw the link in the description below, and also throw the link for the mounting brackets, because you're definitely going to want those as you're installing the new bumper. It makes it a lot easier. But let's hop underneath here. And this bumper did come with the new light bulb holders, if that's what they're called. Also, hopping down underneath here, really just to recap on the installation process, you have 3 bolts right here with a lock washer, a washer on the outside, and then a washer between the bracket and the frame. And then also you've got 2 here holding the bumper onto the brackets. You can also see up there that we do have the license plate bulb light holder clips right there. That was a mouthful. So we've got those installed, and the bumper did come with new bulbs, which is handy because my bulbs were burnt out, so that was a nice little plus. And the same process set up everything over here on the passenger side as well. And guys, just a very simple process. The only part where I had the issue was you can see right there, there's a hole, and the factory brackets, I actually have them over in the F-150. I'm going to show you guys this. So here is the old bumper, and I've got so much stuff in this truck. It's nice to have a truck to just throw stuff in the bed of. But yeah, this right here is the old bumper. On the inside, it was pretty rusted, and right there is the bracket. I didn't have to remove that bracket. I actually had to get a Sawzall and cut this piece of garbage off, because you can see there's that hole I was telling you guys about, and that is just hot. But the screw went through that hole, and the nut was on the other side, and when I was turning it, it was stripped. It was just turning and turning and turning. So after fighting with it for several hours, really, pretty much the whole afternoon working on that, finally my dad was able to come to the rescue with his Sawzall and just his years of experience, and was able to suggest the Sawzall, help me with that, and he just stuck his was it 14-inch long blade in the little bracket area there, the narrow spot, and was able to just cut that bolt with the metal Sawzall blade, and really just ended the painful process of installing the new bumper. So as long as you don't have any bolts that strip, guys, this installation process is very easy. So I do hope you found this video enjoyable. I hope it has helped you if you are looking to install the Westin FEY bumper on your vehicle. This is a universal bumper. This one here is fit to the Comanche though. So whether it be a Comanche or whatever vehicle you have, hope you find it helpful. And be sure to rate the video before you go. Comment, let me know your thoughts. And subscribe today if you haven't already. I will see you guys in the next one.